Tyson chased it a few more feet, ensuring it was well away from the nest, before finally stopping, his chest heaving from exertion. Triumphant, Tyson trotted back to the tree. The mother robin chirped gratefully from a branch, her eyes filled with appreciation. The chicks, oblivious to the danger they had just escaped, continued to peep and flutter their tiny wings. Tyson sat beneath the tree, his head held high, keeping watch over his feathered friends. He knew that the world was full of dangers, but as long as he was around, no harm would come to this family of birds. Tyson the Pomeranian, small yet mighty, had once again proven that true courage comes in all sizes.